Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert DjVu files to TIFF. Search on Google Recovery Tools DjVu Migrator. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your DjVu files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing DjVu file. Select DjVu files. Check files. Click on TIFF. Select Destination folder. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Converted TIFF files.